Hello, and welcome to another grammar and pronunciation video. Today, we're looking at modals of deduction. What's true? Modals of deduction. Let's start. So, quick think, pause the video if you need. Have a think. Number one, what is your best friend doing right now? Now, at this very moment. Okay, it's daytime. So not in bed. Maybe work. My best friend lives in Spain. So different time. Sleeping, waking up, breakfast. Okay. Number two, think about a family member. Where are they at the moment? Okay, my father. Okay, he's definitely in the UK. In the kitchen? I don't know. I don't know. Different time zone. Maybe he's in bed. Okay. Have a think. We'll check this later. Okay, so modals of deduction. We can use modal verbs of deduction to guess if something is true or not true using what we know. The modal of deduction we choose shows how certain or unsure or not certain we are. So let's have a look at the grammar. Today we're talking about modals of deduction in the present, now, not past, not future, now. So have a look. I have here Klein. So at the top in green, 99% sure something it is. Yes. At the bottom, 99% sure, you're sure something it isn't. And on the left, you can see the modals of deduction. So add is or isn't. Yeah, so 99% sure something is, 99% sure something isn't. In the middle is unsure, you don't know. So have a look on the left. Could be, can't be, maybe, might be, must be. Okay, do we use those to describe something is? Are we sure something is? Or sure something isn't? Or unsure? Okay, pause the video, maybe write this down, draw a line, and add the modals of deduction to the line. 99% sure something is, sure something isn't, middle, unsure. Okay, shall we check the answers? Let's check. Okay, just before we check, remember, it says, remember, use is and isn't if you are 100% sure, not must, may, could, can't. If you know the answer 100%, then is or isn't. If we are unsure, then we use a modal of deduction. Okay, at the top, you're 99% sure something is. Still 1% don't know, but 99% must be, must be, must be. Okay, a little more unsure, maybe, maybe. More unsure, could be, or might be. And then 99% sure something isn't. Can't be. Can't be. Just one thing, in everyday conversation, people use may, could, and might to mean kind of the same, but in a grammar textbook, often they say that maybe is a little bit more sure. But in regular conversation, people use them all the same. Okay, let's practice the pronunciation. So, as I've mentioned in other videos, if you want to add extra emphasis, extra meaning to what you're saying, then you can really stress adverbs or adjectives and modal verbs like this. It adds a bit of extra meaning. So must, may, could, can't, you would really emphasize it. It must be. It must be. Ooh, it may be. It may be. Ooh, I'm not sure. Could be. It might be. Sure something isn't. It can't be. It can't be. One more time. Quickly repeat. It must be. It must be. It may be. It may be. It could be. It might be. Oh, it can't be. It can't be. Okay, let's try and use our modal verbs. Okay, let's have a look. Look at this picture. Quick pause if you like. What do you think? What's that? What is it? Okay, what is that? Okay, at the top, we've got the vocabulary. Isn't, can't, could, might, may, must, is. Pause the video if you want time to think. Let's see. Okay, it's red. Okay, it is where I can see. It isn't black or blue. It's red. It's long. It's red. Looks like a tail. Okay. It might be a fish. Yeah, it might be a fish. Or it may be a dolphin. No, it can't be a dolphin. Dolphins are not red. But it must be a fish. It must be a fish? Okay, it must be a fish. Let's see. Ah, it's Little Red Riding Hood. Okay. Next. Okay, what's this? Okay, can't be, could be. Okay, it's brown. It's soft, or it looks soft. It looks like a cake, maybe. Okay, yeah, it may be a dessert. It may be a dessert. No, it might be paint. It might be a painting. It can't be. It can't be real, can it? It can't be. Okay, I'm gonna say. Okay, it might be paint. Let's check. What do you think? Ah, it's chocolate ice cream. Looks delicious. We said, it may be a dessert. Yeah, kind of. Okay, next one. What's this? Oh, it looks like the ice cream, but no, that can't be an ice cream again, can it? No, it isn't. It isn't an ice cream. Okay, it's brown. It's fluffy. It isn't an ice cream, not this time. It looks like a towel, bath towel. Okay, I think yeah, it isn't an ice cream, so it can't be an ice cream. It isn't an ice cream. Okay, it might be a bed sheet or a towel, or yeah, it may be a blanket. Yeah, okay, yeah, it must be a blanket or something like that. It must be. Wow, it's a bulldog. Ah, almost. Last one. Oh, what's that? Okay. Ah, it looks like somebody's head. It must be a person. Must be a person. Yeah, no, it is. It's a person, right? Okay. Ah, okay. It's a boy. Is it a boy? Yeah. It's a boy and a man. Yeah, it isn't a woman. It looks like an old picture. Okay, it must be a man and his son. Oh, it may be a famous person when they were a kid. Oh, it might be a girl. Is it a girl? It might be. Okay, let's see. Ah, it's me. It's young Tom and his father, my father, who I mentioned at the start. There you go. Okay, so we mentioned those questions at the beginning. What is your closest friend, your best friend doing right now? Okay, so my best friend, I don't know exactly, but he must be sleeping because it's early morning in Spain. He might be awake if he woke up early. He might be awake. But yeah, it is early morning, so he must be sleeping or about to wake up. Okay, think about family. My father. My father loves to wake up really early, so I think he must be in the kitchen drinking a coffee and he may be reading the newspaper. Actually, it's the World Cup at the moment, so he might be watching the highlights. But England played last night, so maybe he's lying in bed late this morning. So actually, he might be still in bed. Okay. All right. That's it for today. So that's how we speculate, we deduce, we think about what's happening now in the present using modals of deduction. All right. If you're interested in grammar and pronunciation, check out the playlist for other videos. And that's it for today. Thank you. See you next time. Soon there will be modals of deduction in the past where we can talk about the past. All right. Thank you. Bye bye.